What is good, guys? TJGotKicks 89, and I'm back with another sick pickup and review for you guys. First of all, let me say thank you so much to everyone that has been liking my videos, watching it, subscribing, spreading the love out to every single one of your friends, forcing your friends to watch it. Let me first say thank you so much for you guys. You are literally the reason why this channel is still alive and the reason why I'm still making these videos. So we're back with another sick pickup and review, and this time we have got the second installment of the Air Max Plus OG series. Let's not get into too much. Let's go straight into the size tag. You can tell this is an Air Max Plus OG Footlocker stock, Bandar Utama as usual, up here in Malaysia. No, I'm not based in the US, for some of you guys that are thinking that I'm based in the US. Black total orange doesn't really help out. But let's just get straight into the box. Just a standard Air Max Plus OG box with the pattern of the overlays on the upper. TN logo there, TN logo there, TN logo there, Nike swoosh there, red Nike swoosh. Nothing much on the bottom, just standard Nike writing. So let's get straight into the unboxing for you guys. Standard Air Max Plus tissue paper as usual. Here we have the star of the show. Also comes with your standard arch support inserts, which you can glue into your insoles. The paper is pretty much the same as the first one. If you guys haven't watched the first installment of the Air Max Plus OG here at TJGotKicks 89, just watch. It should be featured at the end of the video in the cards. Right. So we have got the Air Max Plus OG in one of the 3 original colorways. I'll go into that a little bit more at the end of the video, but Footlocker is marketing these as one of the 3 original colorways. Reason being is that this was a colorway that never ever materialized. This colorway, if you remember, the drawing on the inside of the shoe is actually one of the initial colorways proposed for the drawings, and this shoe never ever released to the general public until 2018. This is supposed to be the dawn or sunset colorway. Remember the hyper blues that came out, the one that I reviewed? Well, that color took over because Nike realized, or they decided, that that was a better colorway to kind of portray the sunset in Florida. So there's nothing much really different from the other Air Max Plus OGs. Standard tooling all around. Everything is pretty much the same, except this color, if you actually look at it in pictures, in camera, if I put the 2 side by side, which I don't have, I'm really sorry right now, but if you put these and the hyper blues next to each other, you can't really tell the difference, aside from the fact that this part in the front isn't colored and this part in the back isn't colored either. Just get that to focus for a while. Yeah, so this part in the back isn't really colored, but other than that, it's pretty much all the same. But I think the reason why I picked it up, this exact colorway, although I may or may not rock it, is just the fact that it was just like the Tinker series of for Jordans, basically colorways and designs that never ever really materialized up until today, because obviously Nike's probably running out of ideas. But hey, it works for us as sneakerheads, because like, imagine if they had like the Jordan 11 OG without the tongue, and how would that look, you know? Probably looking forward to a design like that in the future. But let's get a little bit more into this. Okay, so Air Max Plus, standard all mesh upper with the reflective hits there. This colorway actually evolves from like this really dark purple. Actually, it's almost like a royal blue mixed with a purple, to this very light, almost very palish purple colorway hue at the top of the shoe. Same thing goes for the medial side of the shoe. Same kind of colorway flowing. Primarily white midsole, going all the way around, unlike the Hyper Blues, which had the hits of black, which I pointed out earlier. Nubuck, which isn't really the best, but hey, I think it works for this shoe. Goes all the way around the Mudguard. You got this clear plastic toe cap in the front, just to kind of prevent toe drags and damage to the upper, because mesh would obviously not go well for abrasion. TN hit. The insole is purple. Let me just pull that out for you guys. The insole is purple with your hit of the TN, the tuned air technology in the heel. Standard black laces. Let's go into the bottom. Your standard Air Max Plus bottom with those nubs in this waffle tread pattern, which I didn't really mention in the last video, but this is a pattern that was exclusive to most of Nike's shoes, and I think up until today you can still see it being used in most of their soles. You got that shank plate in that purple going to that black, and you've got the tuned air technology in the back basically. In this shoe, the air bubble is orange in color, as in the front and on the other side as well, with the tuned air pillars obviously in red, as you can see there. So shout out to Sean Mcdowell for creating such an iconic shoe. I love this shoe so much. It wasn't up until this year that I realized that I could actually buy this shoe, but thank you for everyone at Footlocker for looking out for me. Iki, Kiki Sneaks, J Lin or JC Lin, but thank you to everyone at Footlocker Bandar Utama for helping me out cop this pair early. I know it's not early for this review, but I copped them early. Really sorry for the delay in videos, guys, but I think that takes care of it. Thanks so much for everyone for watching. This is the Air Max Plus OG in the original unreleased purple colorway. Stay tuned for the third installment, which is going to be the Tiger colorway, and I hope you guys are really excited for that, because there's something that's going to be really interesting at the end of the video. Alright, so this is TJGotKicks 89. Thank you so much, guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more sneakerhead content here from Sungai Buloh, Malaysia. I am out. See you guys at the next one.